CDC advises every jail and prison in the country to provide masks for inmates. In El Paso County, though, they weren't commonplace until an outbreak was well out of hand. Denver 7's Megan Lopez reports.
Inside the El Paso County Jail in Colorado Springs, one of the worst COVID-19 outbreaks in the entire state. Hundreds of inmates and dozens of staff members have tested positive.
My son is in the El Paso Jail,
including Jamie Fain's son, James Hunter.
My son is having really a hard time. He's running a fever, sweats, hallucinations at night.
Her son is awaiting trial for drug charges. He's had his court date moved 3 times due to COVID, and she's worried about the conditions inside the jail.
These are patients now, not just inmates, patients with COVID-19.
So for days now,
yes,
she's been making phone call after phone call trying to get answers.
I said to the deputy, is my son going to die in there? And if he does, I'm not going to tolerate this. Can he get to somebody? And I don't believe that they can get to somebody.
On the El Paso Sheriff's Office website, as of Wednesday, the positive number had dropped by more than 500. The Sheriff's Office said those prisoners had been retested and fulfilled the required quarantine timeframe. The Sheriff's Office did say it started providing masks to all inmates on November 1st and that it's taking health and safety precautions seriously. The health department said part of the problem at first was the supply, but also that the masks cannot have metal in them.
To not give masks to prisoners, it is an astounding oversight.
That's Mark Silverstein from the ACLU.
I thought the sheriff was being extremely reckless to have not provided masks until this outbreak was out of control.
He hopes this serves as a lesson to jails across the state for how quickly things can get out of control.
An outbreak in a jail is a threat not just to the prisoners, it's a threat to the community.
As for Jamie,
and I want an explanation, why was we being told it was being taken care of when it wasn't? And somebody needs to be held accountable.
In Colorado Springs, Megan Lopez, Denver 7.